Gutter guards are the worst thing anybody can buy. Every gutter guard that we sold in the late 90s, I went back and replaced them, didn't replace them, actually took them out, threw them in the trash can and gave the customers back their money. Because what it does is when that water's going over the gutter or back behind the gutter, you start having rot, not only on your fascia board, but then that water's on your foundation, and that's where you've really got problems. So when we start taking them down, this is a typical type gutter guard we see. So you're not allowing any water flow, especially when the leaves or the pine straws start collecting here. There's no place for the water to go but over and down to the foundation. If you don't keep your foundation dry, then you start having cracks and misalignment of the blocks and brick, and then you have to have companies come in and jack up your house and re-waterproof it. So the best way to handle not having that problem is just get on our gutter maintenance plan. It's either twice a year or 4 times a year. Our crews come out, clean all the gutters by hand, make sure all the downspouts are flushed and properly working so the water flow can go down the downspouts. And then any debris that we've left on the yard, we rake it up and take it away or put it in a natural area, whatever you want us to do with it. Just sign up for a very reasonable gutter maintenance plan. Have us come out 2 to 4 times a year.